It's the #1 podcast for cleaning business owners. Candid Cleaning Conversations.
Cleaning conversations, candid cleaning conversations, candid cleaning conversations, candid cleaning conversations.
If you are looking to grow your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond, join Tenacity Academy Mentorship Program. Let Ms. Johnson help you change your mindset as well as your bank account.
Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the podcast. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about prices. Yes, I have my co-host, Miss Tamika, right here by my side. Say hey, Miss Tamika.
Hello, kings and queens.
All right. So prices. Oh, my gosh. We get a lot of calls and emails about prices. And we're going to be talking a little different on this podcast because it's some things I want people to understand about prices. The one thing I want people to understand is your price is actually a part of your brand. Okay. For instance, look at some of the high-priced cleaning companies out there. You know, they're high-priced, and I'm pretty sure you know they're going to be high-priced when you call them. Mary Maids, Molly Maids, or any of the $1 million cleaning companies out there that are well-structured and they're very popular, you know that they are going to be expensive. Why do people choose to buy Hondas? And then you got some people out there that will buy a Bentley. They'll spend $100,000 on a car. I mean, it's still a car, right? It's still to get you from A to B, right? But the brand is different.
Just think about Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A versus McDonald's.
There you go.
You know what I mean? Chick-fil-A has, their prices are a little bit more than McDonald's. However, they created a brand, and their brand is they created that value to all right, you get fast, quick service. The food is always hot. That good customer service.
Yeah,
in fact,
my pleasure. Versus
you going to McDonald's, oh man, you're going to have a cold burger. You're going to have some cold fries. They're going to refry the fries. It's just too much going on, You
get what you pay for.
Pretty much.
Okay. So with that being said, it's not really smart to be the cheapest guy in town, I don't think. I talk to a lot of newbies and they feel like, well, what if I just, offer $50 cleaning service? Like, no, I want to advise you to do nothing like that. No, because you don't want to be the cheapest cleaning company in your city. People don't value cheap. They really don't. People want and people will pay for value. They will. They will pay for a person to come into their homes to clean it that they can trust, that is licensed, that is insured, that looks good, smells good. Not only that, but they have the experience in cleaning and they get the job done. And this is one less headache that the client has to worry about. The client comes home, nice house, smells good, smells like lemon fabuloso. The outcome, the result is an outstanding result. The cleaner is always on time. Like, think about all that stuff. One thing about Chick-fil-A is, listen, whoever the owners of that, brilliant. You hear me? They sat down and they strategically thought about all of the pain in the restaurant, fast food industry, right? Mm-hmm. All the pain that we go through as being the consumers. We don't like cold food. They figured out how to fix that. We don't like long waiting in long lines forever. They figured out a way to get us out of the line quicker, right? We don't like poor customer service. Can I take your order? No. They figured out a speech to give their employees, and everybody has the same speech. Everybody sounds professional.
And they look professional. Okay.
Okay.
Them collars be crisp.
Not only that, but the food itself is good. Okay. So somebody sat down and strategically did this. Mm-hmm. They figured out all the pain and they figured out the solution for it, and voila, you got chicken fillet. Okay. Service, right? This is how I want you guys to think about your cleaning company. Think about your client's pain, man. Think about it. What don't they like? Of course, they hate crappy cleaners. They come in and can't clean. Figure out a way to have an onboarding training for your cleaners so that all of your cleaners are cleaning the same way all the time, and they're providing that great cleaning service for your clients. This is stuff that you got to figure out. Now, once you figure out all of your clients' pain, and this goes for commercial cleaning as well, not just residential. For commercial cleaning as well, you got to learn your client's pain, and then you have to come up with the solution for it. Mm-hmm. I know one thing about apartment complexes, they don't like to have to go back behind cleaners. They hate go backs. They don't even like inspecting the unit half of the time. They just want somebody that they can really trust to go in there, that has a quality control person to go back behind the work. If they can find somebody like that, and then if the prices are, within their budget, they don't mind spending the money.
Absolutely. And I think, when you go to apartment complexes and residential, if you automatically come with a checklist and it shows, if you go in there and you actually build rapport with the client and you let them know, hey, this is what I pay attention to. Most people, they don't pay attention to this, but this is what I do. Because most people don't pull out appliances and get up on the stuff and look up on the couches, pay attention to the vent, the fans. It's a lot of stuff you can miss. But if you come with a checklist and then you say, hey, look, I got quality control that even goes behind people, because people be busy in the day. They don't have time. They running the whole business. They don't got time to go back and be like, oh, man, they forgot this. And it makes your company look bad. You know what I mean? And then now they don't want to use you no more. They're going to look for somebody else. So, yeah, it makes common sense.
Right. And then it's kind of scary if you go in there and your prices are low. It's kind of scary to a professional that wants to hire you anyway. Because me, knowing everything that I know, I'm not going to go with the cheapest guy in town. That's scary.
They're going right.
I'm gonna go with the person the person that is more expensive. Usually it's a reason behind that expense, right? Because just think about clothes that you wear, Versace and Gucci and all the clothes that are popular. It's a reason behind it.
Period. It is.
The cloth is better. The clothes last longer. The thread count is stronger or something. It's a reason behind it. And then not only that, but the price itself is a part of the brand.
Period.
It being so expensive is a part of the brand. Mm-hmm. And people will eventually respect that. So you have to keep that in mind, that your price is a part of your brand. You don't want to be known as the cheapest person in town. You want to have a decent price and not be afraid to give that price to people. And you got to know what your low number is. A lot of times when I'm bidding, I know what number I absolutely cannot go underneath. I just can't go underneath. And I will gladly walk away with a smile, because cleaning is hard work. And if they don't want to take, the bid or whatever, so be it. There'll be somebody else out there that takes my bid. Okay. So another thing that I want to talk about is the fact that you got to stop forcing people to buy. Okay. Learn how to attract the clients to you and not be so salesy all the time. And how you do that is by, if you can have, like, let's say you got a landing page on your website. Let's say you got a landing page on your website and someone tunes into your landing page. They put all their information in, and then at that point, you will start dripping content to them. You'll start sending them a workflow. And now every morning when they wake up, they see your ad in their email, right? And not only that, but you want to get them to, you want to be marketing on social media platforms as well. I love TikTok. I love Instagram and TikTok. TikTok is great for like advertising hacks, cleaning hacks. I see, just go on there and look at some of the cleaning hacks, right? So whenever you create a cleaning page for your cleaning business, and you're doing like before and after videos, and you're giving some kind of value to your clients, this is a way to sell without selling. You understand? This is a way that you're going to sell to your clients without actually hard selling to them, right? Because they're watching your content every day, and the content has to be good. You know, if you're giving value to them, saying, hey, you know, this is how you clean a stove. This is a cleaning hack that you can use inside your inside of your house, or just give them some value, some type of value. These people will follow you, and after seeing your ads all the time, and you're sending those emails to them every day, and they're going on your Instagram and they see your ads keep popping up, they will eventually buy from you. Because when they finally want to hire a cleaning company, they're going to go with the person that's top of mind. Mm-hmm. They're going to go with you because they keep seeing your ad up, and if it's good information, hey, you know, they'll eventually shop with you. So that's a way of marketing to your people and speaking to your people without
being so salesy.
Right.
Yeah, I like that. I like what you said, you know, because I truly do believe people don't buy the product. They buy into you, like they buy you. You know what I'm saying? That's why when you build up that rapport with people and they see, well, wow, she know, you know, a lot. And if people get these three things, I feel like if people know that it's easy, if people feel like it works, and if people feel like they can do it, mm-hmm. man, you done hit a home run because they bought into you. It's like they don't even, they look at the price, but they don't more so concentrate on the price. They more so concentrate on the value, because they be like, wow, this person is so genuine and so real. They're giving me all this information. Why not buy it from them? Because wherever they're at, I want to get to where they're at.
Right. Exactly. So those are some things that you guys can take, some tips that you guys can take home with you. Just remember, if you can develop a habit of not being so salesy and so pushy to people, and just really creating this environment that attracts the clients to you, you'll get way more clients. I mean, you're already developing the community by posting every day, and everybody's tuning in, and then you're running those ads. Not only that, you got a landing page on your website. They tune in on your landing page, and they put their email address in there, and now you have a workflow going, and a drip sequence going in their inbox every day, and you're marketing to them, and they see your ad every day. I'm telling you, you want to stay top of mind. Okay. You want to stay top of mind. It works. Okay. So that's my jewels for today. That's all I'm gonna give you. That's all the juice I'm gonna give you for today. Okay. You can take it, do whatever with it. Anything else you want to say before we close it on out?
Well, I mean, just everything that you said. You dropped a lot of jewels today, you know, far as, you know, stop trying to be so forceful with everything, and your price is a part of your brand. You know, just sell. I wouldn't say that sounds so cheesy when you say sell yourself, but, you know, just be yourself. Be yourself. You are selling yourself.
It's not cheesy. You do sell yourself.
I'm saying that. I don't know. My mind just goes somewhere, you know. I don't know, but, you know, just be you, man. Just be you, and, you know, show people your, you know, transition, you know, as far as you create a YouTube channel, use your TikTok, use your Instagram, and show people who you really are. Because when people see your authenticity, what's that word, how you say it?
You said it right.
Oh, okay. When they see that, they're gonna buy. They're gonna buy all day.
Right.
They're gonna be like, man, because there's so many people scamming, just trying to get people dollars,
right?
You know, and stuff like that. And once they see you, they're gonna be like, man, I'm flocking to everything. I want to be just like.
I think people need to get more intentional with their cleaning company.
Man.
Like, they really need to tap in. Like that. That's like the main thing I feel like people ain't doing. Like, they not tapping in, man.
They just
like
want the money part,
listen.
Man.
You know, like, I'm up. I wake up early, y'all. Okay, and business is always on my mind. I hate it sometimes, because it's like, damn, man. Oh man, because you know, I got a life too and stuff like that. But I'm so passionate about it though, and I'm really, really, really driven, and I tap in. And my mind is a sponge, because my mind is always going everywhere. I'm always trying to consume information. I'm always trying to learn, and I'm tapped in. I'm tapped into my vision. So I'm working every day. And I don't understand when people tell me that they can't find clients. Like, y'all know the first thing I say is, what have you done to try to get them? I know I got videos on YouTube telling you what to do and giving you tips. Have you done any of them?
Man, look.
And how much have you done?
That's a whole nother video, man.
I'm tapped in every day. Like, nothing is going to stop me. I know that I'm going to reach that 7-figure mark. And I feel like 2023, at the end of 2023, that's my goal for me grossing my first 1 million right there.
How many days we got left in this year? Where's the calendar at? Because how many days?
I don't know how many days we got left, but about 20, 19.
It's 20 days left in this whole month, and it's going to be 2022. I just want to say to people, just a thought. It's about to be 2022. What are you going to do? Okay? What is 22 going to do for you? Like, you want the money, you got to do the work. You have to do the work.
Yeah, but we've been saying this all year, though.
Yeah, but I mean, people just don't get it.
We've been preaching this all year.
Well,
and then sometimes you guys can get addicted to searching for more information on YouTube.
That's true.
Because you know, people can get a high off of the dopamine effect. Do you guys know what dopamine is? It's when you get that high off of, you know, the adrenaline of searching for more information.
Yeah, they watch you. You know what I mean?
It ain't just me, but it's YouTube video after YouTube video after YouTube video and not taking no kind of action at all. You developing a habit of just searching for more and more and more. When people done already done told you what to do. And, you know, the real thing is, instead of searching, it's time to stop searching. It's time to start doing the work.
That's true. But you know what I'm saying? Like, what you putting out, the information that you put out every single day, you're being, you know, you try to be, you're being repetitive, you know, at this point. And people, they're not getting it. So maybe sometimes, hey.
Yes.
They need that little knock sometimes.
Y'all don't understand how hard we go. Like, in juggling 2 businesses is not easy. Like, it's not, and that's one of the reasons why I work from sun up to sundown. Because you got one world where you got to make sure everything is on schedule. You got to make sure all the invoices in. You got to make sure everybody get paid. You got to make sure all the units get cleaned correctly. And we're working on systems within our company, and we're growing our company. And on the second company we're helping other people, you know, do the same thing. So it becomes, it's challenging. It's a lot. You know what I mean? So I don't have time just to sit and not do nothing. You know? We got off topic. But anyway,
but it's cool.
We're gonna close it on now. We're gonna save that for another podcast, man. Just remember, your price is your brand, you guys. Your price is your brand, and stop forcing people to buy. Learn how to attract those clients to you. Okay. My name is Mrs. Johnson. This is Tamika. We are signing out of here. Bye-bye.
If you are looking to grow your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond, join Tenacity Academy Mentorship Program.